What if I told you that one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett, just made a huge bet on a company you might not expect? That's right, the Oracle of Omaha himself sees massive potential in this industry titan, and today, we're diving deep into why this could be your next big win. Warren Buffett, known for his incredible investment acumen and long-term vision, has always been a figure of immense interest in the financial world. His decisions often send ripples through the market, influencing countless investors. So when he makes a bold move, it's worth paying attention. Recently, Buffett has turned his attention to a global leader in the beverage industry. This isn't just any company, it's a titan with a rock-solid track record of dividend payments and a bright future ahead. But what makes this move so intriguing? The beverage industry has always been a staple in Buffett's portfolio, but this particular company stands out. With its extensive global reach, innovative product lines, and consistent financial performance, it's no wonder Buffett sees potential here. And today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about this exciting opportunity. From the company's financials to its growth prospects, we'll explore why Buffett might have decided to make his move now. This company is not just a leader in the beverage industry, it's a pioneer. With a history of innovation and a commitment to quality, it has managed to stay ahead of the competition and maintain a loyal customer base. One of the key factors that likely attracted Buffett is the company's impressive financial health. With a strong balance sheet, consistent revenue growth, and a history of reliable dividend payments, it offers a stable and attractive investment opportunity. Unlike speculative tech startups that come with high risks, this company provides a sense of security and predictability. It's a well-established giant with a proven history of success, making it a safer bet for long-term investors. But it's not just about stability. The company is also poised for future growth. With plans to expand its product lines, enter new markets, and leverage cutting-edge technology, it has a clear vision for the future. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. We're going to provide you with all the insights you need to understand why this could be your next big win. We'll delve into the company's financial statements, analyze its market position, and discuss its future prospects. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of why Buffett is betting big on this company. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, and share the video with your friends and fellow investors. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth analysis and insights. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Now, before we dive in deeper into today's list, I want to let you in on a little secret that could completely transform how you invest and grow your wealth. This video is sponsored by 𝗗𝗚𝗏, a tool I've been using to uncover these incredible stocks, and honestly, it's been a game changer for my research. This software, powered by the 𝗗𝗚𝗏 AI agent, uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to analyze all financial instruments. Whether it's stocks, ETFs, cryptos, indexes, forex, and even commodities. It's like having your own expert financial analyst working around the clock to give you the most accurate insights and uncover new opportunities. With 𝗗𝗚𝗏, I can quickly identify value stocks, growth stocks that are ready to break out, and even spot seasonal trends in the market that most investors overlook. I can spot insider transactions in seconds. The political tool tells you when politicians are buying or selling shares in a company. If you're serious about investing, this is the tool that can completely transform your portfolio. It's designed to help you find opportunities, reduce risks, and make smarter decisions that could grow your wealth faster than you thought possible. So, if you're ready to take your investing game to the next level, click the link in the description now to try 𝗗𝗚𝗏 for free, and use my code Galore10 to get a 10% discount when you sign up. Don't miss out on this game changer for your portfolio. Alright, let's get right into it. The company we're talking about is none other than Constellation Brands, ticker symbol STZ, a global leader in the beverage industry with a portfolio of iconic brands. You know, those names you see lining the shelves at the store, the ones that are practically synonymous with good times and celebrations? Yeah, those are the ones. Constellation Brands isn't just some small-time player. We're talking about a massive company with a market cap north of $31 billion. They're not just in the beer game either. We're talking wine, we're talking spirits, a whole diversified portfolio of beverages that people know and love. Warren Buffett just invested $1.24 billion in Constellation Brands by buying 5.62 million shares in late 2024, making his Berkshire Hathaway the sixth largest holder of Constellation stock. As shown in his company's latest 13F filing, this was Buffett's only new stock purchase during the fourth quarter. Now you might be thinking, the market's been pretty shaky lately. Why is Buffett so high on Constellation Brands? Well, let's break it down. First off, Constellation Brands has a track record of consistent dividend payments over the years. And I'm not talking about some measly payouts either. These are substantial dividends. We're talking about a company that's committed to consistently returning value to its shareholders. But it's not just about the dividends, there's more to it. Constellation Brands is also strategically positioned for significant growth. They're constantly innovating, expanding their product lines, and adapting to changing consumer tastes and preferences. They're not just riding the wave, they're looking ahead, anticipating the next big trend in the beverage industry. Think about it. People are always going to drink, right? It's a timeless market. It's a basic human need, just like eating and sleeping. And when it comes to celebrations, special occasions, or just unwinding after a long day, Constellation Brands products are often the go-to choice. Now let's talk about why Buffett might have decided to invest in Constellation Brands. Remember, this is a guy who's known for his value investing approach. He looks for companies with strong fundamentals, a competitive advantage, and a long runway for growth. And guess what? Constellation Brands checks all those boxes. They've got a proven business model, a strong management team, and a portfolio of brands that are in high demand. Plus, they're generating tons of cash flow, which gives them the flexibility to invest in future growth opportunities, pay dividends, and buy back their own stock. But here's the thing. You don't have to be Warren Buffett to see the potential in Constellation Brands. Their stock has been on a tear lately, and analysts are bullish on their future prospects. Constellation Brands has been making headlines with its impressive stock performance, reflecting the company's strong market position and strategic initiatives. Investors are taking note, and the buzz around the company's future is palpable. The stock's upward trajectory is a testament to the confidence that market analysts and investors have in Constellation Brands' ability to navigate the competitive landscape and capitalize on emerging trends. They're well positioned to benefit from several key trends, including the continued growth of premiumization in the alcoholic beverage market. This trend is not just a passing fad, it's a significant shift in consumer behavior. People are increasingly seeking out premium products that offer superior quality and unique experiences. Constellation Brands has recognized this shift and has strategically aligned its portfolio to cater to this growing demand. By focusing on premiumization, they are tapping into a lucrative market segment that promises sustained growth. People are increasingly willing to spend a little extra for higher quality, more premium products, and Constellation Brands is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. The willingness to pay a premium for better products is driven by a desire for enhanced experiences and a growing appreciation for quality. This is evident in the rising sales of high-end alcoholic beverages, where consumers are opting for top-shelf options over standard offerings. Constellation Brands' extensive range of premium products ensures that they can meet this demand across various price points and categories. They've got a portfolio of premium brands that are already resonating with consumers, and they're continuing to innovate and introduce new products in this space. Innovation is at the heart of Constellation Brands' strategy. By continuously evolving their product offerings and staying ahead of market trends, they ensure that their brands remain relevant and appealing. Whether it's through the introduction of new flavors, unique packaging, or limited edition releases, Constellation Brands keeps consumers engaged and excited about their products. Another trend working in Constellation Brands' favor is the growing popularity of ready-to-drink cocktails. These convenient, pre-mixed beverages are gaining traction among consumers who value convenience without compromising on quality. The ready-to-drink segment is expanding rapidly, driven by busy lifestyles and the desire for hassle-free enjoyment. Constellation Brands has been quick to recognize this opportunity and has invested in developing a diverse range of ready-to-drink options that cater to different tastes and preferences. These convenient, pre-mixed drinks are becoming increasingly popular, especially among younger consumers, and Constellation Brands has been making strategic acquisitions and partnerships to expand their presence in this rapidly growing market. By aligning with innovative brands and forming strategic partnerships, they are enhancing their product offerings and expanding their market reach. These moves not only strengthen their position in the ready-to-drink segment but also demonstrate their commitment to staying ahead of consumer trends and preferences. They're not just sitting back and watching the market evolve. They're actively shaping it, making moves to ensure they're at the forefront of the industry's most important trends. This proactive approach involves a combination of strategic planning, market research, and innovative thinking. Constellation Brands is constantly exploring new opportunities and adapting to changes in the market landscape. Their ability to anticipate and respond to trends gives them a competitive edge and positions them as a leader in the alcoholic beverage industry. And that's the kind of forward-thinking approach that gets investors like Warren Buffett excited. Investors are always on the lookout for companies that demonstrate a clear vision and the ability to execute on their strategies. Constellation Brands' focus on premiumization, innovation, and strategic growth has earned them the confidence of savvy investors. Their commitment to staying ahead of the curve and delivering value to shareholders makes them a compelling investment opportunity in the ever-evolving alcoholic beverage market. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about the risks? And you're right, every investment comes with risks. But here's the thing, Constellation Brands is a well-established, financially sound company with a long history of success. They've weathered economic storms before, and they've always come out stronger on the other side. Plus, their diversified portfolio of brands helps mitigate risk. If one category isn't performing as well as expected, they've got other categories to pick up the slack. It's like having a diversified investment portfolio, but instead of stocks and bonds, it's beer, wine, and spirits. Of course, you should always do your own research before investing in any stock, and past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. But when you look at Constellation Brands' track record, their strong market position, their commitment to innovation, and their potential for future growth, it's easy to see why Warren Buffett might be bullish on this company. Constellation Brands boasts a market cap of $31.58 billion and a strong financial foundation. Their EPS is $3.76 and a PE ratio of 46.36. With 2024 revenue reaching $9.96 billion and net income at $1.73 billion, the company has demonstrated its ability to navigate market challenges while maintaining profitability. The company pays out a dividend yield of 2.32%. A profit margin of 22.3% highlights effective cost management and strong pricing power, while a return on equity of 17.73% reflects solid profitability and efficient use of shareholders' equity. The debt-to-equity ratio sits at 1.16, indicating a balanced approach to financing that supports sustainable growth without excessive leverage. Constellation's January 2025 earnings report highlights its resilience despite market challenges. While revenue remained flat at $2.46 billion, falling short of the $2.53 billion analyst consensus, the company's beer segment continued its impressive growth streak, marking 59 consecutive quarters of expansion with a 3% revenue increase. Earnings came in at $3.39 per share, with adjusted earnings reported at $3.25. Cash flow performance remained strong, with operating cash flow up 9% year-to-date at $2.6 billion, while free cash flow grew 13% to $1.6 billion. Additionally, by November 2024, Constellation had returned $668 million to shareholders through share repurchases, reinforcing its commitment to delivering long-term shareholder value. From a valuation standpoint, the discounted cash flow analysis suggests a fair value of $231.22 per share, compared to its current trading price of around $174.31. This implies that the stock may be slightly undervalued, presenting a potential opportunity for long-term investors. Looking ahead, Constellation Brands is well-positioned for growth, driven by strategic expansion efforts, organic innovation, and acquisitions that diversify revenue sources. Continued investment in branding and product innovation strengthens its competitive edge in an evolving consumer landscape. However, potential risks remain, including market saturation in key product segments, evolving regulatory challenges, and broader macroeconomic uncertainties. As a global player, the company is also exposed to geopolitical and economic risks. Trade tensions, political instability, and changes in trade policies could impact costs and distribution channels, while fluctuations in currency exchange rates and uneven global economic recovery patterns add another layer of complexity. Despite these challenges, Constellation Brands remains committed to enhancing shareholder value through an active share repurchase program. Operational efficiency has improved consistently over the past decade, reinforcing the company's financial strength. Competitive advantages, such as strong brand recognition and operational efficiencies, place Constellation in a strong position against industry rivals like Anheuser-Busch, InBev, Molson Coors, and Diageo. Ultimately, Constellation Brands continues to build on its robust foundation, leveraging its strengths while mitigating risks. With solid financials, an undervaluation signal from the DCF analysis, and a proactive approach to market expansion, the company remains a compelling option for investors looking for stability and long-term growth potential in the beverage industry. So there you have it, folks. Constellation Brands, a global beverage giant with a rock-solid track record, a diverse portfolio of high-quality products, and a strategic vision for the future. This company has consistently demonstrated its ability to adapt and thrive in a competitive market. From its popular beer brands like Corona and Modelo to its premium wine and spirits offerings, Constellation Brands has something for every type of consumer. But what really sets this company apart is its commitment to innovation and sustainability. They are not just resting on their laurels, they are constantly looking for ways to improve and grow. Whether it's through strategic acquisitions like their investment in Canopy Growth or their focus on reducing their environmental footprint, Constellation Brands is a company that is always looking ahead. And let's not forget the backing of one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. When someone like Buffett sees potential in a company, it's worth paying attention. His investment philosophy is all about finding value and holding on to it for the long term. So, when he puts his money into Constellation Brands, it's a strong vote of confidence in the company's future prospects. Buffett's involvement brings not just financial backing, but also a wealth of experience and strategic insight that can help guide the company to even greater heights. Constellation Brands is definitely worth a closer look. Their diverse portfolio of products means they are not overly reliant on any one segment of the market. This diversification helps to mitigate risk and provides multiple avenues for growth. Whether it's their strong presence in the beer market, their growing footprint in the wine and spirits industry, or their strategic investments in emerging markets like cannabis, Constellation Brands has a well-rounded approach to growth. This makes them a resilient and adaptable company, capable of weathering market fluctuations and capitalizing on new opportunities as they arise. If you want to know my secret for finding winning stocks, it's Forecaster, the ultimate tool for uncovering high-value investments. Forecaster uses advanced algorithms and data analysis to identify stocks with strong growth potential and solid fundamentals. It's like having a team of financial analysts working for you around the clock. With Forecaster, you can get real-time insights and recommendations that help you make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Forecaster can give you the edge you need to succeed in the stock market. Try it for free today. Just click the link in the description with my code Galore10 for an exclusive 10% discount. This is a limited-time offer, so don't miss out on the opportunity to take your investing to the next level. What do you think about Constellation Brands? Do you see the same potential that I do? Are you excited about their innovative approach and strategic vision? Or do you have concerns about their market position and future growth prospects? Let me know in the comments down below. Your input is valuable. Whether you agree or disagree, your perspective can add depth to the conversation and help us all become better investors. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on investing, personal finance, and building wealth. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to continue creating content that helps you make smarter financial decisions. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our Patreon community is a place where like-minded investors come together to share insights, strategies, and support. As a member, you'll get access to exclusive content, detailed stock analysis, and real-time trade alerts that can help you stay ahead of the market. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your investing to the next level. Together we can achieve financial success and build a brighter future.